Hey, welcome back to the herb garden.
Thank you very much, Harnek, for having me.
Thank you. So let's look into some herbs that could be used in some drinks.
Please.
So let's
yes.
see what we have growing here. So this is apple mint. The,
Ooh.
the leaves are nice and fuzzy. It has beautiful green.
Wow.
So let's take some of that.
Smells amazing. Be great in a cocktail.
Yeah, so this apple mint, to keep it fresh, I'm always sort of cutting it back.
Okay.
A lot of these herbs, if you don't cut them back, they usually go into flowers.
Okay.
So a lot of plants, like once they start flowering, then sort of that is kind of like sometimes becomes end of their sort of beautiful leaves that you're supposed to use in your sort of recipes.
Okay.
So so as you see, it's like it's always being cut back just to kind of keep it
Maintain it.
fresh. So then we have
Here.
black mint here. So let's take some of that as well.
Oh, black peppermint. Wow. Wow, that's a little bit stronger. That's awesome.
Yeah, this one has much stronger minty taste.
That'd also be great in a cocktail or even a candy of some sort.
Oh, that sounds good. So here we are, we are looking at this is the bay tree. So bay leaf.
It's so rare that you get to see a bay tree.
I know, it's really amazing. Just kind
wow, these are
of this tree goes inside for the winter.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not hardy for our climates. That's why we have it in a container.
Nice.
So it spends winter in one of the plant storage.
Beautiful.
Yeah, here we have, this is a Armenian cucumber. I'm sure it's known with different names. I think we have one fruit somewhere.
Here. I
Let's
think I found it.
yeah, let's take it. Let's take that one too.
Here. I think we have the pliers there. Oh
We
wow.
can use that.
Hi, my name is Mohamed. I am the chef de cuisine at Great Performances Catering. And today we are at the Kate French Terrace up at the Wave Hill Gardens up in Riverdale, Bronx. Today we are making a cucumber jalapeno gimlet. Fresh cucumbers, jalapenos, and mint from our wonderful Wave Hill garden from our gardener Harnek. And so we will start. So first off, we're going to take some, about 3 slices of jalapeno. Depends on how spicy you like your beverages. And then we're going to take some beautiful apple mint that our gardener Harnek here at the Wave Hill Gardens picked out for us this morning. And you're going to take about 5 mint leaves, and we are going to just gently muddle it at the bottom of your cup to release the oils of the jalapenos and the mint leaves. Gives it that nice essence, almost like you're making a mojito. We're gonna go a little lighter. And then next you're going to add about 3 ounces of gin. You're more than welcome to use any gin that you like. Today we have our Brooklyn gin. 3 ounces. And a little overpour if you're at home. Never hurt anybody. And then we're gonna have 2 ounces of cucumber juice. And now to get cucumber juice, you're just gonna take some cucumbers, slice them up, put them in any blender that you'd like, that you have at home, and you're going to strain it. And that's how you get a little bit of cucumber juice out of that. And then we have 1 ounce of lime juice. Extra. And then also 1 ounce of simple syrup. So to make a simple syrup at home, you're going to use 2 parts of sugar to 1 part of water. You're just going to use a little bit of hot water to dissolve it. All right, and then I'm going to add a lovely scoop of ice. We're going to give it a nice shake. Get all those oils from the mint and the jalapeno. All right, pop the glass. All right, put our strainer right on top. And we have our lovely glass. It'd be better if it was chilled in the fridge. That way you can enjoy every single sip. And you're gonna see some seeds from the jalapenos, which give a nice kick. And there you have it. a wonderful cucumber jalapeno mint gimlet. Enjoy. Oh, and we're gonna garnish with some mint, and we're going to cut a little bit of cucumber here. Some cucumber on the tip there, and wonderful mint leaf. And there you are, a cucumber jalapeno gimlet. Enjoy.